Alright, so we're going to do a quick video here on how to weed and apply a vinyl. Okay, so I have my name tag here, and it kind of comes out of the printer raw with some waste vinyl around it. So I'm going to peel that off first. And remember, when we drew this, we put a little box around it, which helps us not make some mistakes a little bit further on into the process here. Mine got a little bit stuck, but that's alright. Okay, so I'm just going to keep peeling this off of here, and the next step here, depending on how you did yours, if you had just the white border, the whole thing would peel off and you can stick that to your bin. But for me, I cut out the letters. So what I'm going to do is peel back this layer of vinyl, and as you do this, you want to kind of do it slowly to make sure none of the letters are coming up with it. And if some of them do, like this one, you can just grab your little tool and kind of peel it backwards and stick it back on the backing paper so that you don't lose your orientation. And the weeder helps too on letters that have kind of an undercut, like the T or the M, if things get stuck. Okay, and then make sure any letters like E's or O's, you pull out those little bits in between too, so that they don't transfer over. So notice that they're sticky on the back of this, and the backing is not sticky. It comes off relatively easy. So then what we're going to do is we're going to use some transfer paper to get this transferred over to our bin, so we don't have to place each letter individually. And this also helps keep everything straight and in the orientation that you drew it on the computer. So all I'm doing here is just kind of pressing with my fingers to get the transfer paper to grab hold of the sticker. Okay, and then what will happen when I peel this off, the sticker comes with it. And because the sticker with my name on it is slightly more sticky than the transfer paper, when I apply this to the bin, I can press down the sticker, and the sticker will come off on the bin, and then the transfer paper will pull off. Okay, so I'll pull all of that off of there, and we'll get out our bin that we're going to apply this to. And just make sure that all the letters come off. If they don't, you can put it back on there and press down on them again. Okay, and then I'm just going to roughly line this up. So I'm just going to press this down with my finger. You can use a squeegee or a credit card or something along those lines to get it to attach to. But for this one, it works fine just pushing down with your finger. Okay, and then when you peel this back, you want to peel it back kind of at a low angle, about 45 degrees on the pull, so that the transfer paper lets go of the sticker and the sticker stays behind. Okay, and if one starts to peel back up, just stop, push it back down, and then finish peeling it off.